Morning. Jimmie Burrbenders. Christmas tree. It's gonna be a busy day. Not sure what's gonna happen today. I did talk to Tom at Beards Creek BBQ, which sits right next to me. I told him I wanted to meet up with him and go through his process because it's actually a little bit fascinating. So let's see if that happens. I know he's super busy and I'm super busy, so everybody's super busy. Let's see what I gotta get to work. It's good. Time to get to work. Today I'm here with Tom at Beards Creek BBQ at Homestead Gardens in Davidsville. Tom, what do we have on the pit today?
Today we have pulled pork. This has been on for 12 hours. Oh, nice bark on that. Yeah. We have brisket that's been on also for 12 hours. That'll go for another 2 to 3 hours to finish off. And then we'll also have pulled chicken, pulled pork, mac and cheese. One of our famous things is our mac and cheese bowl, Beards Creek bowl it's called. It's either with pulled pork, pulled chicken, or brisket on it. Come down and get some.
Tom, this has become one of the most popular barbecue places around. Tell me why.
I've taken my 15 years of experience of barbecue, and I've taken what I've learned on the competitive barbecue trail and added it here and to make some outstanding barbecue.
Well, you're doing a great job. We all appreciate it.
Thank you.
You know, after lots of thought, I've decided not to drink anymore in the trailer. At all. Ever. God damn it. Great busy day. Really beautiful weather, beautiful day. Really great. I really appreciate all the customers that came out today. Really nice talking to everyone except for one person. You know who that person is. Really pissed me off. Don't come back.